Hi everybody, how are you doing? Hopefully you are doing fantastic. And this is Iqbal Khandekar once again in front of you. And this video is going to be special because in this video I will show you the village view. Even it's my own village view. Not only village view but also my land, which is a banana land. Right now I'm showing you. And this place is located at the Norshingdi, which is my home district, and this district is famous for so many things, like the fruits and vegetables. We have a lot of fruits and vegetables. If I mention some fruits, then it's gonna be jackfruit. As you can see, this is the jackfruit, pineapple, and banana, and there are lots of fruits actually in my uh, village, in my city. And this is the banana garden where right now I'm staying, and nourishing this quite famous for banana. Have a look. This is the banana, and these trees are so strengthy, healthy, and fatty. You can check it out. The growth rate of the banana trees, it is look like stunning. And the color of the soil, it's little bit red. We have so many soil colors. It's varies from one place to another place. Like if I go away some distance ahead, then maybe the soil color would be a little bit black. And these are the grass which is eaten by the cow, by the cattle. They used to eat this type of grass. That's why we have planted this grass. And but look, just it's a huge long banana. And even right now where I'm standing, it has a panoramic views. It has a stunning looks. As you can see, there are huge water hyacinths. Water hyacinths means locally we call it kochuripana. uh, it grows in the lake or in the pond. It grows these water hyacinths. And we have so many different variety of banana, like so many groups of banana. This is we call champa, and the another this one is the another banana which we called shobri. This type of things. So it is quite beautiful, my rural area. And just few days ago, I have planted oh three Java plums. Java plums, we locally call it, or the Bengali meaning of Java plum is jam. This is the jam trees or Java plum, and this is another one. And this is the bamboo support for these Java plums so that they can't move here and there due to heavy wind. That is why uh, it is need a support, and this bamboo is working as a support. Oh, it's a stunning look. Every banana trees, as you can see, it's really so fatty, so strengthy, so healthy, so charmable, and so pretty. Every banana tree. And have a look this view of my village. There are huge flowers is blooming from water hyacinths. Oh, it is absolutely breathtaking view of my mother nature. So I guess like who are living in the city area, they are missing this type of views. Oh, so everybody has to come in their own area to enjoy those type of panoramic views, breathtaking views, and stunning looks. Wow, it's a huge. Oh, there are so many bamboos garden. uh, which makes this environment incredibly amazing. Oh, this is a huge lake over there, huge lake. So that is it for this video. Hopefully I'll make another video and I will talk about the other things of my mother nature, and you'll be amazed to see all those views. So guys, stay with me until I come back with another videos. Hope to see you very soon. Till then, stay best. That's all.